Let me know if you guys can hear me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Facebook, let me know if you guys can hear me. All social medias, everything was down today, yeah. Crazy, 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 crazy. Let me know if you guys can hear me on wherever you guys are watching me from. Good morning. Facebook, can you guys hear me? All right. Y me sentí vagamundo en otro mundo. Okay, you guys can hear me. How are we doing today, guys? How are we doing today? Oh, I dropped my ring. Maddie says that she can hear me. Okay. All right, thank you, Maddie. Make sure you guys are sharing this live with like everybody, because why not? Where's everybody watching me from on TikTok and Instagram? Yeah, I'm about to do some videos and stuff, so I have to get a little fix myself up, That's what's up. Cali. Oh, everybody from Texas, from California. Wow. Hi, Anna. How are you? Oh, you're from Texas, from Instagram. Everybody's from Texas, from Cali. Hi, Anna. How are you? It's another Anna. From Connecticut. I'm from Connecticut. Wisconsin. What's over there? Minnesota. South Dakota. Whoa. What is over there? Oh, no. Oh, no. Mm-mm. What's over there? What's over there? Glenda did say you too from LA. Thank you, Vanessa, for everything you do. No, thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you. Wow, Wisconsin. What's in Wisconsin? Oh my gosh. That's far. That's too far. Somebody asked a question. You guys can ask me questions. You guys don't even want to say hi to me or nothing. That's cool. Just ask me the questions already. Fine. From Atlanta. Okay. Dice Teresa, hace un año renové mi DACA. Y no me dieron. ¿No te dieron qué? Si hace un año ya, Teresa, no. Question. Still waiting on my renewal. Is it expired? You guys, it's expired. Should I still submit my AP? What do you mean your renewal is expired, though? Like your DACA's expired? I should not. You would not, like, don't even submit no AP because it's gonna get rejected. Hey, Ciudad Juarez right now. Thank you to the group. Nice. Post some pictures and tag us so I can repost it. Gracie, I'm doing good. Living a dream or whatever. Not too crazy though. I'm leaving to the DR this weekend. It's like my first actual vacation, non-work vacation, like non-work vacation. I gotta do like a couple of things, but business related. But I won't. I'll be enjoying the Dominican Republic this weekend. Curling on WorksCom. Would it matter if I start my iOS? I need my actual work checks as proof. You can start iOS whenever you want. Things happen. If you need a sponsor, get a sponsor. That's it. Let me share this. Give me 1 second, yeah. Let me share my live because I'm live everywhere. Oopsies. Let me see. Dreamers together. If you guys are watching me from Facebook, can you please share the live on Facebook? I would appreciate that. Let me just share it. Here we go. Okay. AOS approves only 5 months. Thank you all so much. Nice. Love that. How long are the AOS taking right now? Every time you guys ask about like the timing from things, we don't know. I don't work for USCIS. We don't work for USCIS. So we can't really tell you how long something's gonna take, right? We just gotta wait. Unfortunately, we just gotta wait. That's just what it is. We don't have a time for anything. I called USCIS about my DACA being expired and submitted an inquiry. Also contacted my congressman and nothing. Yeah, I will call the senator too, but that's just me. I'll call the senator too, but that's just me. Dice Daniela, hi Vanessa, I just want to thank you for creating this group. Thank you to this group. I was able to apply for AP. Then I applied for my AOS myself and I got my green card in 3 months. Wow. It took me so much. Wow. Look at that. I'm so happy for you. Love that. Wow. I love that. You see, guys? All we got to do is read a little bit. And I'm pretty sure Daniela saved a hell of money, right? Like, it's crazy. Dice Ramona, hi, can I apply for advance parole to visit my grandma's gravesite? She passed one. No. So we will have to kind of get like a little creative, unfortunately. Si pasa más de 2 años, ya después de 2 años, you can apply for a grave. It has to be like under 2 years. Try to do like a misa, maybe some dental work. Maybe the kids have to go. Do you have any more family members over there? We can do something like that. But if you need more help, just reach out to us and we can kind of help with that. Following the steps on this group, my wife finally has. Wow, look at, I love that. Yeah, I already know. Oh my God, I love that. Friend works as a nanny. They want to take her to a trip to babysit. Can she do AP? I would try it. Honestly, that's work. So she's a babysitter. That's her job, right? Let's apply to go babysit in Hawaii somewhere. Nice. Somewhere in Hawaii where it's nice and warm. Hello Vanessa. I'll be sending my packet for AP. Just have to get everything together. Wish me luck. Good luck. If you're part of Dreamers Together, you already know. Like, come on now. Can DACA recipients request a work sponsorship? Yes. You will have to talk to your boss and see what they talk about. What they're talking about. And then, if not, then we got our lawyers in our group that they can actually just guide you onto what you need for that. Teresa, no. So no puedes hacerlo otra vez, Teresa. Tiene que, si lo mandas ahora, te va a llegar como una nueva. Like it's gonna be like a new application, and right now they're not accepting new applications, Teresa. No la puedes hacer. Después de 1 año no se puede renovar el DACA. Desafortunadamente, ya saben que la regla que hizo Dani, el Congreso, la gente de allá que no nos soportan a nosotros, that's just how it is. Después de 1 año no la puedes renovar. Si la manda ahora va a perder tu dinero, se va a quedar on hold like the rest of the 100,000 people that are, waiting to get a DACA renewal or be a new DACA applicant. What would I don't know. What do you do for work, Ramona? Oh, this is Michelle. Hello, I just got back from the office. I got denied for an emergency advance payroll because my grandmother was buried during the weekend. ¿Tú le dijiste a ella que ya la habían enterrado? And if you're from Texas, where you from? I mean, they suck over there, so. I would still mail it out though, Michelle. Honestly, just mail it out. And sorry for your loss. Hey, check your DM whenever you can. So we don't really check the DMs. We don't really check anything. When you guys DM me, I don't even answer the DMs because I already got like 100,000 DMs, and you're not supposed to. You guys are not supposed. You guys don't even follow the rule. You guys aren't even supposed to be doing it. Book a 101. Do you assist with translations about everything for RP? Right now, our translations team is closed, so not right now. Give me 1 second. Oh, I can't see that right now. Sorry, guys. Can you guys look over DACA renewals? I just want to make sure everything is I felt right. You can send an email to our support email or just book a 101. Abogada Carmelia has joined. Hi, Abogada Carmelia. I got an RFE. Any advice? Read it correctly, right? Take your time. Don't rush. It's in the back. You guys are like, when it comes to RFEs, you guys are like, oh my God, you guys gotta sit down, take your time, and read it through. Everything that you need, the RFE will tell you. The same way when you're reading your DACA, everything is right there, bro. Like, take your time. Take your time, read it. You feel me? Like, come on now. Take your time. ¿Qué dice aquí? Listen, I'm like on a lot of different social medias right now. So if I'm not reading your questions, give me a second. And if not, then book a one-on-one with me and I got you. Because dígame. I got a general sick letter from my father. Can I use this as an emergency? Yeah, you can try it. The thing is that if you guys are from Texas, you guys are from like California somewhere, if you guys are from like down south, anywhere, period, then people are like horrible. So we have cases where people are like literally like in bed about to, pass away and they don't care. So there's nothing that we can do about that. This is why I'll be telling you when we go to the airport and they asking you for a document and they don't know what the hell they talking about, you have to educate them on how to read this document because they just don't know, and it's not our fault. It's not their fault. That's just their job, um, it is what it is kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? What can I do if my DACA has taken longer than 9 months? I'm not getting much help when I call USCIS. You need to call your Congress folk or your senator and call them every day if you got time. That's just what I would do, but I don't know. If USCIS has notifications for AP and how are AP requests taken? What do you mean they're accepting applications for AP? Of course, that's why we are always outside. What do you mean? Let me go on Facebook. Let's see. Abigail dice, I need to apply and I just been putting all aside for later. Cuando llega un presidente, mira, cuando llega un presidente nuevo, Abigail, que no venga tú decirme que avanza, que tengo el otro, because you have all this time. Get it together, please. I'm a social service director for a skilled nursing home. Okay, si maybe tiene unos lugares en cualquier país que tú quieras ir, que tengan una cosa for nursing. Maybe that's something for work. Maybe if your job needs you to go out, see other, patients somewhere else, que están afuera del país, también es otra, way to apply for AP. How do you book a one-on-one? 1v1. That's funny. I like that. I'm gonna use that. He said a 1v1. Go to dreamersticker.org and click on services. That's funny. I'm gonna use that one. This Anna question. Still waiting on my renewal. My DACA just expired 3 months ago. Should I still submit my AP? No. Wait till you get it. Can I apply for the same reason as my first? Yes, you can. Just update everything. Just update all the letters and you're good to go. Of course you would need a letter from them, then you're gonna make a letter yourself and then get like maybe they have flyers from wherever it is, make a flyer, all that. Y'all gotta get sexy, man. I keep telling y'all don't listen to me. Why don't you listen to me? Get sexy with the affidavit and we're good to go. Let me go right here on TikTok. My grandfather passed away last week. How fast can my advance parole be processed? It wouldn't be processed fast. It'll take like 5 months. Don't matter where you're from. Dice mi AP con tus hice mi AP con tus videos y me aceptaron, mil gracias. Oh, I love that. My DACA expires in August. I want to do AP. Can I send both together? I will send my my DACA first and then my AP. But that's just me. Can you explain a bit on adjustment of status? What exactly is your question for adjustment of status? Because we can sit here all day and talk about that, but we ain't about to do that, right? So ask me a question about that exactly. Thank you for answering my question. Should I wait for the approval letter and actual card? I'll wait for the approval letter. Once you get the approval letter, you're good to go. I'm gonna just ask here. I got a simple 4 years ago. Do you recommend to do AP? I would reach out to Charles Cook or then I forgot the other lawyers. You can reach out to Charles Cook, and I have to add another lawyer that I really like on the list, but reach out to Charles Cook. He's on Facebook too. You can email him and ask him, and he can probably take over your case because cases like that, we have to just be 100% sure. Nelson. How sure is this? How long should I write my affidavit? My sister said affidavit sounds like I want you to time. First of all, listen, Anadeli, I'm not reading that. Any affidavits you guys are writing, if it's a book, me personally, I'm not gonna read it. So let's just get right to the point. I'm going here for this. I need to do this, and that's the only way I could do it because I have to be there. That's it. Write me a book, and I'll be like, girl, I ain't reading that. That's why I'm not an officer. That's why I'm not. But we have some examples in the group, so go check in the group. They recommended expedited request on my denial today. It's I recommended my grandmother's passed away, but was buried the weekend. That's not even like a thing. Expedited request. You can try, but it's not a thing. You just have to mull it out, sis. Just mull it out. I paid $25 fine because I was not informed that I could affect me later on. I mean, it's not gonna affect you. We just gotta be 100% sure. It's not gonna affect you though for sure. You just gotta be 100%. We just wanna like cover our asses a little bit. You feel me? So do that. When I need to translate my grandfather's certificate, do you know where I can get a translation done? Our translation services are closed right now, but we have actually guides on the group. Check the files. We have something you can follow along. Dice Rayo, un empleador puede peticionar si entró legal la primera vez que requisitos. Claro que sí, tenemos una guía entera en el grupo. Rayo, sé que es un poco complicado, pero sí se puede hacer. Yo y el papá de mis hijos no somos casados, yo tengo DACA y él nada, nuestros hijos están en las Fuerzas Armadas, no queremos casar, ¿será una buena idea o no esperamos? Cásense, señores. ¿Qué están esperando? Cásense y hagan eso de una vez. If my lawyer submitted adjustment of status on my husband that has DACA, I just submitted an advance for 1 February. If he gets approved, what's the next step? If my lawyer submitted an adjustment of status for my husband that has DACA, I just submitted the advance for who are you submitting the advance for? For him? Because if he already submitted the advance parole for, I mean, the adjustment of status, it should be already like a whole packet with the adjustment of status and the DACA and everything, and the parole and everything. I'm not able to view my case on my UC's account. The number I have to call. Yes, you have to call them. Dice Sidlatli. Wow. Can I send my AOS without my medical exam? I'm currently pregnant, but no. I would. Well, you know what? You can send it like that if because of the price, send it out. But I would suggest doing everything all together. That way they don't bother you so much. I'm going to Guatemala on AP. Any advice for when I come back? And because we still feel nervous. Any advice? Then people ain't worry about you, girl. That's the only advice I can give you. Then people ain't worry about you. Go have fun, enjoy your family, whatever you need to do down there. I think you guys need to understand that that's their job, right? So they're gonna ask you the questions, whatever it is. You have a document que te deja entrar al país, o sea, que no hay ningún problema. That's their job. They're gonna ask you whatever it is they're gonna ask you regardless. So just you guys are crazy. Just go with the flow. They ask you for your paperwork, have it all together. Here it is. What you came here to do. You came to see your grandparents for work, whatever it is, and that's it. Like they're not gonna stop you. Nobody has ever been denied entry to the United States, unless they're like related to a job or something. Even that, like you're traveling, like that's your right to travel. I mean, can you file for advance parole and adjustment of status at the same time? Married to a U.S. citizen. That's usually how it goes. So when you file for your green card, the advance parole is in the packet, Safari. So whoever's doing your adjustment of status, all those forms go together. And then that's how you get a combo card. And if you don't know what a combo card is, go in a group and make sure you read the guides. AOS approved January 2024. Got my green card. Thank you, Vanessa and Dreamers Together. Love that. Wow, a lot of you guys are getting your green cards approved. Check it out. Wow. For AOS, do we need to have the COVID vaccine? Yes. For AOS. Would there be a problem with my AOS if I get married before I do AP? No. That has nothing to do with like that. The correlation there is not even like a thing. Once we have the AP documents ready, can we Dreamers Together review them personally? Yes, we have a review. Go on dreamerstogether.org for all of our services. And ¿qué dice Henry? Henry dice que Vanessa arriba las chivas. Is that the yellow team? Because yes. This is Ramona. Can I submit AP to CSIC? Oh, yes, you can. You guys are funny. Thank you. We'll definitely look into your guys. Definitely. How long does it usually take to get approved for advanced parole, and is it guaranteed to re-enter the United States? I will say that you're new here. Second of all, we don't work for USCIS, so we can't really tell you when anything is going to be approved. Usually it's 5 months right now, but that's just the time that we're given it. It's not 100%, accurate. So that's just that. And is it accurate that you're going to be let in the United States? I mean, I don't know. Are you bringing anything you're not supposed to be bringing? Are you like hiding from somebody, like on the run? I don't know. That's the only way you would not be allowed back in the United States of America. Can I get help with my advanced parole application? Yes, you can go to dreamerstogether.org, Claudia, click on services and click on advanced parole, and one of my team members will assist you from A to Z. All you gotta do is print it out and mail it out. And that's it. When is a good time to apply for AOS? When you have your documentations, Lamy. What do you mean? I just sent my advanced parole first. Should I apply for my adjustment of status? Well, you need a legal entry to apply for AOS, Safari. So I think you're a little. I'm looking at your questions. I think you need to book a 101 because I don't know. You have like a lot of things, different questions, and then they're not like added up. I'm currently in Mexico for my dad's misa. Can I keep applying for it every year? It depends. You have to kind of like add things to it, because for me said you won't, it's difficult. Dreamerstogether.org/services, and that's where you're gonna get all the information on how to hire me and my team. Hi Vanessa, I hope you're doing well. Is LASIK a valid reason for it? Yes, it is. Do you think Trump is elected back in office, he will remove AP program? I'm so concerned. There's nothing to be concerned about. What you need to be worried about is what's happening right now. You got to be worried about what's happening right now, what we're doing right now. Don't worry about Donnie. Don't worry about none of them people. How can I get a 101? Dreamerstogether.org, and on there, /services. Or if you go to dreamerstogether.org, just go on where's the services and click on travel abroad, on advanced parole. Do you have a template of writing a letter to expedite requests to USCIS for my DACA? No, we don't. But you can check out the group. I'm pretty sure somebody posted in the group. Good afternoon. Hi, Claudia. How are you? In California, what Congress senator number should I call? So, Anna, you're going to go on Google. You're going to put who is my senator, who is my congressman, and you're going to put your zip code, and it's going to give you all the Congress folks, all the senator stuff up there. Grace dice, hi, Grace. How are you? You're leaving on Monday. I was approved from 3/11 to 5/12. I'm guessing it's okay to travel the day the AP starts. Yes, you can leave on the 11th. Dice Andrea, me too. So thankful for this group. Me too, honestly. I'm not even going to hold you, Andrea. Me too. I lost my vaccination card, but I have a copy. Cannot work for the civil surgeon. And what if I had an allergic reaction to the COVID shot? So all that stuff, you need to kind of make a packet, get the, who said that, why they said that, and put it together and send it to USCIS. You can also go to Walgreens or CVS or wherever you got your COVID vaccine from and get another copy if you need to. I will get another copy because I just don't want them bothering me at all. Hello, does my grandmother have to be severely ill in order for me to apply for AP? No. How long does it take to accept AOS? It could be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 7 months. My AP was just approved as of today. Gracias a ustedes. Nice, Elizabeth. Check you out. Where you going, Elizabeth? Dice Liz. Hi, I have an appointment scheduled with you guys to review my AOS packet. Would I be able to reschedule for us on a date? It should be done by this weekend. Well, I'm not the one that's going to be rescheduling for you, so you have to reach out to whoever you need to reach out to. I'm pretty sure you got an email or something, or maybe you can call us and talk to them and see what they can do for you. Thank you, Shima. I appreciate you too, my sis. What if I didn't do the combo card? My lawyer submitted an adjustment of status July 18, 2023. And since I found this group, I hope they want to need a rest for him once he gets approval in the country. Well, first of all, you need to fire that lawyer. That's one. You need to hire Dreamers Together. But I mean, I guess you're right. You're already in it, right? Can't do nothing about it. What you got to tell your lawyer is to apply for the AP. That's it. All you got to do is apply for it. It's free. And this is what I'll be talking about. So you guys are in this group, or if you guys are finding out things in this group and you have a lawyer, you guys need to reach out to your lawyer and say, hey, well, maybe can I do this or that? If you're applying for your green card, you automatically get the advance parole. That's just that. That's how you get the combo card. If you don't know what a combo card is, you go into the group and you check the guides and you check it out. And you read all that good stuff, all that good information, and take it from there. Oh, Maria's here. Hi, Maria. How are you? The team is here too. Oh, the team is here. Hey, team. um, you guys need to take some time out to read. If you guys are not reading everything that we're posting in the group, then the group is not efficient, right? Because that's why I'm allowing everybody. I don't even, it's a lot of things that we don't allow in the group. But you guys have to take some time out and read it. Just like I don't even know how to spell your name, but hey, you guys are funny. Just like how do you even say your name? She has a lawyer. She's been reading in the group. Her husband is getting his green card. They're already doing things and they was supposed to be doing. You feel me? So now you come here, you read, and then you understand that when you doing your AOS, you are automatically applying for the AP or whatever the case might be. And that's just all together and it's free. So that's just that. Dice para this team is amazing. Of course, we're amazing. We're like the Starbucks of nonprofits. Like, what are you talking about? What are you guys talking about? How much for the AP process? It's $575 as of right now. How do you guys do AOS online or mail package? What do you mean us? Like, if you're doing it, you can mail it out. You can't do it online, so you just gotta mail everything out. This is I'm going to Mexico. Okay, so I just came back from. I actually got this from Mexico City. Look how cute this is. I got my grandmother one, and I'm taking it to DR. So yeah, bring me something back from Mexico. I love Mexico City though. Let's see. This is Claudia. I have not looked into the FOIA, but I did go into an immigration center to visit my uncle. They did ask for my that means that they checked everything on me. Like if I had a record of immigration and found something, they would have told me, right? Well, if you're on the DACA and you are able to renew your DACA every 2 years, then there's nothing happening, or they just haven't caught it. So if you're able to renew your DACA every 2 years, you're fine. Could I apply for AP if my grandfather is Mexican passed away? You could go for the MISA or something like that, but you have to kind of when you're applying for somebody that passed away a long time ago, you kind of got to get a little creative because they don't really care. You guys have to understand that immigration doesn't care about none of that stuff. Listen, like they don't care if somebody's like I said earlier on a bed about to pass like away. They don't care. You guys have to just roll with the punches and kind of keep applying or making a packet sexy enough so they won't deny you. You know what I'm saying? And if they won't deny you right away anyway, they will send you an RFE, request for more evidence, and then we go from there type of thing, Dice Teresa from YouTube. Can you apply for your green card after you go out with AP? That's the goal. That's the goal for us to, if you have DACA, right? You go out, come back in, get the legal entry, and then get right with the AOS. Hire us. Vanessa García, si la carta del dentista me la mandaron en inglés, no habrá problema. No, it's fine. If it's in English, that's perfect. You don't even have to translate it. How much did you guys charge to hire you guys for AP? With the consulta, Ramon, son 50 pesos, 50 pesos. We see what you have, what you don't have, what you need, what we need. It's not in the case. So that's how it works. Hello, can we pay for AP money order only, right? You can pay with your card. I would prefer a cashier's check, but that's just me. We are leaving to Mexico tomorrow. Thanks to you guys and my wife. Oh my God, I love that. ¿Podrían poner citas por la tarde? Ay, mi amor. Si pudiéramos, pero no, ahora mismo no podemos, no. We're Eastern time, so but you can send us an email, support@dreamerstogether.org, and see how we can kind of maybe something get you right. Hello, and I want to apply for a parole. Do I have to send all the documents? I lost your question. I'm sorry. Ya yo califico para AOS. Mi hijo cumple 20 años en este octubre. Ya hice APs. Claro que sí. Lo más rápido posible, por favor. Dice Isra from YouTube. Ya viajé un total de 7 veces. Mi primera vez fue en el 2015. Aprovechen mi reír. Love that. From 2015. Original. Original AP traveler. You guys are still helping filling out AOS? Yes, we are. You guys are funny. Let me see. Let me go back here. Boom. There you go. My social security is not signed, and I send my AP packet. Do you think it would be a problem? Your SSC, Samantha, what is that? Your social security card? You don't even have to send your social. What are you doing? Do we need a COVID vaccine to come back? No. For AP, my grandmother has a visa, but can come and do. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if somebody has a green card and they're in your country. Like, people get sick. You have to go do what you gotta do. It doesn't matter. My grandfather, when I went to see him, they got visas, both of them, and I still went to see them. You don't have to tell them that. Why would you tell them that? That's not none of their business anyway. This is the problem, that we talk too much. No digan nada. For a combo card, do you need to have a prior legal entry? Sorry, a little confused. Allison, are you in our Facebook group? If you guys are a little confused about anything, go on our Facebook group. Hell, go on our YouTube channel. We have a lot of information on our YouTube channel. This Pelita, God bless you and your team. Thank you. Appreciate you. For a combo card is pretty much when basically your AOS, when you're doing adjustment of status, when you guys are applying for a green card. The combo card is like an AP and your work authorization in one under a different category, if that makes sense. If I'm going too fast, let me know. But also, we have a guide on Facebook. You can follow along perfectly because I talk a little bit too fast. But that's pretty much it. So you guys are applying for AOS for your green card, and under the green card, you're applying for the 765 and the I-31, which is your work permit and your parole. Altogether becomes a combo card. Amen. What does the doctor letter need? Anything specific? Or what are you applying for? Whatever you're applying for is what the doctor letter is supposed to be saying. You're welcome, Alice. And I hope I explained that a little bit. I'm not really good at explaining things. But that's why we have the guys. If I apply for advanced parole, thought I had to send out. Oops, I lost the question. Or do proof of application or wait on them. You have to send everything out. You're making a packet, Eric, and sending it out. Let's see, Facebook. Jeffrey D said from YouTube, can I hire you to file my AP? Also, I'm interested in doing an independent travel abroad, so that means I get my own travel. So the travel abroad, basically, we're doing the AP for you. If you want to, travel with me, of course. Jeffrey, you will have to just email travel@university.org. And that way we can get you right. If not, just book a 101. And from the 101, they will guide you on how to do your own AP, or we can do the AP for you. This is Juan. Can you travel to another country with a conditional green card? A green card is a green card. You can travel anywhere in the world with the green card. There's no you can't go to Japan or something. I hope I answered that question correctly. I want to visit my aunt who helped me raise me in Mexico. If I get the doctor's letter because she's sick, what does the letter needs to say specifically? Well, first of all, we could go down on Facebook and just put doctor's letter. You will see it, and I think my letter's up there too. I'm gonna repost it. I'm gonna repost my letter for you guys. You just gotta make it sexy, I know it sounds crazy because your aunt is sick, right? But you gotta make it sexy for them, not for your aunt. That got surgery and needs care. What does a doctor letter needs to? I'm gonna come back to you 1 second. What do you recommend adding to my application rather than saying my grandmother passed away? Because, like you said, they don't care about that. Well, you're gonna go do a misa. Maybe you have to do something else. Maybe your child who can travel alone needs to go, over there, kind of pay the respects or whatever. Maybe you can add another reason. You have any other living members down there? You can kind of ask and see what they maybe even high blood pressure. Just add that to the packet. Puedo aplicar para AP si mi DACA se vence en noviembre. I will renew first. But that's just me. Okay, so my dad got surgery. What does the letter got to say? I mean, it says que se le van a hacer una cirugía, that they need you there. Go on Facebook. We have a letter on Facebook. Follow those examples that we have on there. How long is AOS taking to have DACA married to a U.S. citizen? I did AP. There's no timeline. Again, we don't know. We don't work for USCIS. Do you guys like when I say that? We don't work for USCIS, so I can't really tell you, I really can't tell you. I submitted the application for travel abroad. How long to hear back from you? I'm so nervous. Oh, Jocelyn, I'll see you soon. Don't worry, we got you. It's a lot. Look, I'm trying to get all the people who have never done AP. If you know somebody who haven't done AP and they're scared, tell them, let's go. We're going to DR. We're going to get that, you know what I'm saying? And we out. But it's a lot of people. So, give us some time and we definitely gonna get back to you. What you laughing at? If my grandmother's having surgery in less than a month, is it okay to do an info pass? I will wait maybe 2 weeks before and go do an info pass. My grandmother passed away 10/23, and I'm feeling to pay my respect. Would that be good? But 24. Yeah, you have time. You gotta do that ASAP though. To be honest with you, I have no idea where to start. I seen your guidance on Facebook and YouTube. My grandma is in a hospital. Ramon, I will probably just book a one-on-one. Um, or just make the question on Facebook, and then everybody can also answer you if that's what you like. It's so many different things, AP is so like such a big bubble that it's not so many things you can do. You know what I'm saying? So I have a video on Facebook, also how to on YouTube on how to file you on AP. But I will book a one-on-one if you were like, guys, look for different ways. Yes, Giselle. Hi, Giselle. When is your next trip to DR? I think we're booked already for like, I think we're booking July right now. So, get right. Hola, Vanessa. Mi nombre es Mina Herrera y le he mandado email. Fui la winner de la Advance Parole y nadie me contesta. ¿A qué email la mandaste, Mirna? Jackie, you're okay. That's fine. Doesn't matter. Will a DACA renewal receive work for AP because I wanted to travel in October, but DACA expires in September? I mean, you can try that way, but I would just wait till you get the approval letter. And you want travel and when expired in October? Um, try that way. If they send like ask for an RFE, you just gotta get ready for the RFE. Ramon dice, what does book a one-on-one with? We have consultations. So you can have a consultation with me and my team, and we can help you from A to Z how to file everything. And if your grandma, I think you said your grandma's in the hospital, you can maybe do an info pass. If you're in, are you in our, yeah, you are in our Facebook group. On Facebook, look for info pass, and you'll see all the information on how to do an info pass. Mayra, yes. Are the doctor letters samples on your pictures? I only saw the grave site one. They should be up there. I'll repost it again when I finish the live. I don't even know how long I've been up here. Like 36. I gotta go. I mean, I've been up here too long. My grandmother passed away October 2022. Got approved and info pass, but couldn't go. Can I still apply? Not for that reason, for another reason. How can you book a one-on-one? You go to dreamerstogether.org/services. A one-on-one is a consultation. If you need a more kind of like detailed, kind of ask one person one question instead of reading all the comments and seeing like different answers, you book a one-on-one with me and my team, and we can get you right. I mean, that's what we do, you know. But it's my time to go, guys. It's a pleasure speaking to you all. Welcome to my TED Talk. Again, make sure you guys are traveling correctly. Make sure you guys are making copies of everything. Make sure you guys are letting people know, posting pictures on Facebook where you're going. I like food, so y'all need to be posting the foods. Like, come on now. Thank you, Ramona. We have all the guides. We really have everything up there. Like, I literally don't know what else you guys want from me. I don't know what else you guys want from me. Everything is up there. Any question you can think of, it's on Facebook. You guys gotta come to Facebook. Over here is kind of a little different, kind of like to replying back, to you guys. So Facebook, you can see a question, a thread of different answers, and something might be for you, on here, making videos and things like that's a little harder. So, even this video is going to be saved on YouTube. You guys can go back and watch it on YouTube, but that's all I can do for you right now. I really can't do much. Oh, you're making some pupusas right now. I never had that. I don't know. I'm gonna ask my friend to take me this weekend to get some. Nothing different. Maybe just like the dates or the reason. Maybe with more updated stuff on it. But all right. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys soon, and I hope you have a great weekend.